Hello and welcome to this one. This is going to be a super quick lecture. It's just going to be talking about Canva Pro and Canva free version. So in this tool, we're just going to be talking about which do you really want depending on your needs. It depends totally on you. But I'm going to make something straight from the beginning. I in particular use Canva Pro. Why do I use Canva Pro? I'm going to tell you straight right away. The first issue you have is when you click on download, you see transparent background. Every designer wants to be able to have their design without a white background, because this, for instance, this design, as you can see, is because it's totally covering the background. That's why we don't know if it has a white background or not. But if you are working with text, you're working with smaller images, you're working with shape, it's going to come with the white background, especially for you who are on the free to use Canva platform. If you're on the free to use Canva platform, it's going to have a white background, so you have to be making your design with the background. You have to get used to the background there, and it's not going to be professional, to be frank with you. To tell you the plain truth, it's not going to be professional, and that's why I always advise everyone to get a Canva Pro license. Just the way you see Photoshop. Photoshop is a paid tool right from the start, and the others, they are paid tools right from the start. But with Canva, you can actually use Canva for totally free if you are making basic design. But if you need to be a professional, you need to stand out for anything you make, t-shirts, blog posts, social media posts, invitation cards, official office document, you need Canva Pro so that you can get rid of that background. That is the first step. The second one is that when you go into elements, you want to use a photo. As you can see, this one says Pro, but looking at the free pictures, you see it's not as good quality as the Pro version. This is another Pro version here. But once you get Canva Pro, you don't need to go out to look for premium images to buy again. You already got that in one package. So you see, you are making a good use of your money. When you do that, you are making a good use of your money if you get Canva Pro. I know some of you will not want to get Canva Pro from the beginning. Don't worry, there will be a link under this lecture that will give you Canva Pro for 30 days free. Yes, I'm doing that because I love my students. I really love my students, and because I've been using Canva for a very long time. Canva gave me this privilege to be able to give whoever I teach how to use Canva a pro license for 30 days. So there will be a link. If you want to go check that out now, you can go check that out. There will be a link under this post. It's going to be in the file. Just open the file and check the link. It's going to be a Canva Pro link. So once you click on that and you sign up with that link, you're going to get Canva Pro for 30 days free. Yes, you already tried it. It's going to be free on me. You don't need to tell me thank you. I want you guys to enjoy Canva and this platform. You are seeing this course here. This platform you purchase this course from, you are definitely seeing it. So I want you to enjoy your money. I want you to be able to have that freedom to use Canva Pro. So check the link just under this lecture. It's going to be in my conclusion lecture too. It's going to say Canva Pro 30 days, something like that. So just make sure you get that. So as you can see, it's another free one. This is a paid one. It's Pro, but definitely if you're on Pro, it's going to show you that you can use that. As you can see, free, Pro. You're going to know free from Pro when you see them, because it's going to have the Pro ones are going to have the crown. As you can see, crown. That's this crown. So you definitely want, what you notice that when you start to design, the ones with the crown, you hardly see them online. Why is that? Because people don't want to pay for images. So you stand out, you see yourself not using the same design with other people. You can go to other niches. If you go to business, it's same, sorry. You go to business, it's same thing. You're just going to see same thing. Some are going to be with the crown. As you can see, this one has the crown. So if you scroll, go down, you see some with the crown, some without the crown. This does not have the crown. This does not have the crown, so you can use this, but this has the crown. and it's just the way it is. So I would advise you, those are basically the free ones. You can use them, but in the free version, you can save your work without the white background. You're going to have the background in your work. Secondly, on the free version, you cannot use pro images, which is not cool. So that's why I always advise Canva Pro. So which is the best for me? To be fair and being truthful as a designer, I'll tell you Canva Pro is the best for you. And the good thing about it is that it's super cheap, but you don't need to worry about payment on the first month, because if you check the resource down under this lecture, you're going to see a link to get Canva Pro totally free. Once you sign up, don't be scared, just go sign up. You're not taking your money. No one is taking your money for the first month. It's totally free for that month, so you can design totally free on me. It's a gift from this platform and from me. This is a platform gift from me to you. So from this platform you got this course from, and from me is a gift. So just make sure you go through and you get it. And with that said, that's the difference between the free and the pro. So the best for you is the pro version. So with that said, I'm going to see you in the next lecture, where we'll go straight down into our design proper. See you on the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed.